Looking for a reliable, legacy desktop processor to maintain an older system, set up a budget office workstation, or piece together a low-cost secondary rig? Today we are taking a close look at the Intel Core i7-6700 Boxed Edition model, BX8066-i7-6700, a classic quad-core workhorse from Intel Skylake generation. Note, while product listings like this sometimes feature conflicting legacy text mentioning LGA 1555, the Intel Core i7-6700 is officially an LGA 1151 socket processor built on a 14nm architecture. Let us be honest, if you are trying to run the absolute newest AAA games or heavy modern software requiring multi-core muscle, a 6th generation chip will show its age. But for standard office multitasking, web browsing, legacy software, and light desktop duties, this processor still gets the job done cleanly. Under the hood, it packs 4 cores and 8 threads utilizing Intel's hyperthreading technology. It features a base frequency of 3.40 GHz that can ramp up to a max turbo frequency of 4.00 GHz, paired with 8 MB of Intel Smart Cache to keep routine data processing quick and responsive. Power efficiency is a major benefit here, operating at a modest 65 WTDP. It doesn't demand massive power supplies or complex liquid cooling loops, making it easy to run quietly in standard pre-built chassis or compact office towers. Because this is a boxed BX version, it typically ships with an Intel stock cooling fan right in the box, saving you from buying a separate cooler. Onboard graphics are handled by Intel HD Graphics 530, which easily supports everyday multi-monitor setups, high-definition media streaming, and basic display output without needing a dedicated graphics card. It supports both DDR4 and DDR3L memory configurations, depending on the motherboard layout you pair it with. If you need an affordable replacement part to revive an older desktop, service legacy corporate systems, or build a simple, ultra-budget home PC, this classic i7 processor is a dependable choice. Click the link below for the best price.